Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Clash Royale game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash Royale game on your phone and then wait until the game is loaded. Once it is done, you will be taken into your home screen, which is the Battle tab by default. Now from this page, you can simply tap on the menu icon at the top right corner underneath your gems. This will then open up the menu page. From here, simply tap on Settings, and then this will open up the settings. Within this page, you will find the Change Name button. You can tap on this option to change your name, but only after you have reached King Level 5. When you play the game for the first time, after you complete your training, you will be allowed to set up your name. So make sure that you choose your name wisely when you are given the opportunity during the beginning of the game. Otherwise, you will need to reach the King Level 5 by completing various tasks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Clash Royale game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.